the sales report, the admin dashboard, and the sales dashboard. So let's begin with the sales dashboard. By default, the system provides you with the weekly sales, weekly earning, and then the weekly gross profit when you come to the sales dashboard. So as we can see, you have your weekly earning here, your weekly gross profits, total sales count, and then total quantity sold. Now, at the top right corner here, you can click to filter your records. So I can choose this month, and the system will generate the monthly earning over here. Okay. You have the bestseller, which gives you the products that is patronized the most from the highest to the lowest. If you want the overall records of your best sellers or the best products, you click view all. So that will give you the overall bestseller. Okay. Now, when you click on the filter, you can filter by these categories. So for example, I can say that I want to see my best products from 1st November 2024 till date, and then click search records. So the system will give you the records as you filtered. All right. And then at the right side here, you have your recent transactions. Just as you have the bestseller, you also have the best customer, where the system lists your best customers. That is customers that buy the most from the highest to the lowest. So if you have, let's say, a Christmas thank you or Christmas bonus for your best customer, you want to award the best customer, the UBS will give you that information, and then you can make a decision. All right. Now, at the right side here, you have the sales analytics, a very interesting feature. Over here, the system provides you with the progression of your monthly sales. So when you take 2025, you can see that the highest sales was made in February. Yes. And then followed by May. So that is what the analytics gives, a very important feature. So with this, it gives you an idea at what times is sales at its peak. All right. Now let's go to the admin dashboard. All right. So over here, you have your total sales amount, total quantity, total expenses, and then your net profit. There is a chart for comparing your purchases to your sales. And then you have your bestsellers, the overall bestsellers here as well. And then at the down here, you have expired products. That is, if you have products that has expired in the system, it's going to be listed here for you. Okay. So now let's go to the sales report. So I'll scroll down and then come to sales report. The system welcomes you with a summary page when you come to the sales report. That is if you have multiple stores or multiple branches on the system. So it will give you the summation for today, and then it will give you today's sales at each branch. So you have the sales, the cost of sales, and then the gross profit. Now, when you come to the report, that is where you have the individual sales that were made. So by default, you have the all sale, which gives you the summary of the sales. So as you can see here, there's the customer name, the invoice number, the date purchase, the status, and then the grand total and the amount paid. Okay. Now, when you expand this arrow, you have the other information, payment method, and then the biller. The biller is the person who made the sales. All right. Now you have, let's come back to the filter category. You can also filter by products. By products means that you want to see the individual products that were purchased. So you can, here you can choose all products or you can choose a specific product. And then you choose the range, the date range. So let's say I want to see all products that has been purchased from the 1st November till today. So I'll click search records and the system will list the individual products. So I can list by, let's say, 100. If I want to generate this as a report, I can click generate PDF report. So when I click this, the system is going to generate a report, a PDF report of my sales. And then I can either print it or I can download it. Okay, so over here too, if you want to export these records, you can either export into CSV, Excel, or PDF. Now let's look at the next category, by customer. So you can filter by customer in the same way you can choose a particular customer. So for example, if I want to see all sales that were made by or that were purchased by this user, I can click and then I will search records. All right, and you can see the total here. The next category is the biller. The biller is the one who made the sales. So as a sales manager or the owner of the business, if let's say at the end of the day, I want to see all transactions or all sales or items sold by this biller, I'll click it here. So over here, all your sellers, those who sell, who use the point of sale, their names will come here. So you can choose any, and then you choose the date range, and then you search records. Okay, so that is the sales report. Thank you for watching this video and see you